when 14 Henrietta Street was converted into tenements in the 1880s, this room was subdivided, and originally this room would have been the entrance stair hall. So basically the ceiling was inserted if you look up, and basically the staircase was removed. So if you look on the wall opposite here, you will see the line of the original staircase. So this represents the first flight of stairs here up to a small landing. Beyond that then you rise up another flight to another landing here, and then you rise up to first floor level. And the staircase was taken out and the rooms created in order to put more people into the house, and presumably with the intention of getting greater revenues. So a staircase as grand as the one that was here, that survives in other houses on the street, would have been considered very wasteful by the end of the 19th century. This curve in the wall plaster here gives us a good indication of how the staircase would have been. So we're at this point here, we're at the very top of the stairs and are about to land on the landing, and so the handrail would have been quite low, and so to meet the gallery rail that would have enclosed the landing from the void below, it needed to ramp, and so this is telling us how it would have ramped, and so it would have ramped up to here. This blue paint on the walls is actually a copper sulfate distemper paint that was applied in the public areas of the house, and basically, as you will see if you look up the wall, it is applied only to a certain height, and we believe that this was used as a disinfectant to basically prevent outbreaks of diseases that were generally rampant in the tenements at the time. So this you will see throughout the house in the stair halls, in the entrance halls.